Steam Error 51 can be frustrating, especially when you're just trying to launch a game and Steam keeps refusing to cooperate. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Steam Error 51, also known as a dependency failure or app launch error, using a few simple troubleshooting steps that solve the problem for most users. This issue usually happens when Steam is blocked by a background process, an antivirus conflict, or a missing third-party driver or tool. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common cause: aggressive background apps. Steam Error 51 is often triggered by software that hooks into other programs in the background. That means anything that overlays, mirrors, injects, or monitors your game can cause Steam to fail at launch. One of the biggest offenders is Fiddler. If you have Fiddler open, close it completely and try launching the game again. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue right away. Next, check for AirServer or any screen mirroring software. Apps that mirror your display can conflict with Steam's launch process and stop the game from opening properly. If you're running AirServer, quit it fully from the system tray or task manager, then test the game again. You should also disable MSI Afterburner and RivaTuner statistics server if you use them. These tools are popular for monitoring performance and showing overlays, but they can interfere with Steam or the game's GPU hooking process. Close both applications completely, make sure they are not running in the background, and then relaunch your game. If the error disappears, you found the cause. If that didn't solve it, the next step is to verify the integrity of your game files. Sometimes Steam Error 51 happens because a core DLL or EXE file is missing, damaged, or blocked. To do this, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click the game that's giving you trouble, then select Properties. From there, go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game and automatically replace any missing or corrupted files. This can take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before testing the game again. Now let's move on to antivirus software, because this is another very common reason for Steam Error 51. Programs like Avast, AVG, and Koei and Komodo have been known to silently quarantine Steam-related files. Even if Steam is installed correctly, your antiviruses may block a required file without warning, which causes the launch to fail. Open your antivirus quarantine, chest, or security history, and look for anything related to Steam. If you find Steam files there, restore them immediately. After that, add your entire Steam folder to the exclusions or exceptions list. For most users, that folder is located at /program files x86 /Steam. Excluding the full Steam directory helps prevent your antivirus from blocking important files again in the future. If you have your games installed in a different library folder, it's a good idea to exclude that location too. If you still see Steam Error 51 after doing all of that, restart your PC and try again. A clean reboot can help clear stuck background processes and make sure all changes take effect. In some cases, this error is tied to an older VPN, driver, or overlay tool that you forgot was running, so restarting gives you a fresh start. To recap, the best fixes for Steam Error 51 are closing conflicting background apps like Fiddler, AirServer, MSI Afterburner, and RivaTuner, verifying your game files, and checking your antivirus quarantine and exclusions. These steps solve the issue for most players without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more gaming tutorials and PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.